Hello folks, wanted to make this video because people are asking us for room tours. I think we have something that might fit the request. In fact, there are features here that will work even better than room tour. So try it out, see if you like it.
We buy all this crap we can't cash out. We all love statues too much, maybe. PO's too easy. Shipping costs tripling. We're not paying off our bills today. We can go on together on collective minds, and we can live our dreams with collective minds.
Okay, here we are at the Collective Minds homepage. Here you see we've got 561 videos. Of those 561 videos, about 380 of them are shorts. Of course, you can subscribe if you like. You can scroll on through. Here's some videos that we've put up. We don't have a whole lot of long-form videos. Here's our shorts. Here is the weekly show that we do. If you go to shorts, one of the neat things about going right to shorts, and I'll put some links in the description that will take you to the homepage or take you to shorts or take you to our live show. The neat thing about if you go to the shorts page, you get the entire thumbnail. It extends the actual length of the filmed screen. And if you're on the regular page, it truncates it. And so if you scroll through our shorts here, you see some of our text is truncated. So here we are on shorts. All of our content is content that we have generated. We don't swipe any content. We're not out there taking videos that we think are going to just get us tons of views and go viral. And you can see by our page, we're not monetized. Some of our videos do better than others. Some of them are relatively good. Others don't do so great. But that's okay. We're here having fun, and we're not trying to monetize the channel and make money off of you watching us. Here's where I thought this might come in nice to use if you're interested in seeing our collections and asking for room tours. Well, of course, one thing you could do is go to our videos, and Ark has uploaded his room tour from a couple of years ago. In shorts, we have 380 some videos. We are trying to post a short daily, and we've been pretty good. I don't know how much longer we'll be able to keep that up, but we have been posting daily for quite a while now. And here's the neat thing about shorts. If you go and click on one of them, all right, it brings up the short. I've got the music turned off, so we get to use some fair use stuff in shorts that we normally wouldn't get to use in long form, so I turned off the music, but they all have music, and you get to see our somewhat wide variety of musical interests and sometimes eclectic choices. Here's where the neat thing comes in. You're in the short app. You can like the short here without leaving it. So you just click on that. Or if you're one of those few people that dislike everything we do, the dislike's right there for you. You could give us a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say. You could share and get a quick link. So feel free to do that. And you can subscribe to our channel. There's a subscribe button right here. So if you like what we do, go ahead and click on that. You can scroll through our shorts by just pressing the down or up button. And so if there's content you don't like, you can quickly scroll through it. You can also use the cursor up and down buttons. And so, for example, let's say you didn't like Storm, you just skip on right through it. You want to watch custom beast statue that is posted here. You can sit through that short. Here's XM Cyclops And so you get the idea. You can scroll through this stuff. Lots of videos to see. There's lots of different types. Danny has a lot of Star Wars stuff. Ark and I have a lot of Marvel and DC. Ramon has some Lord of the Rings and some Court of the Dead. And Joe has been more focused lately on action figures, so you can check out his content as well. And so just scroll on through and see what you like. Give us some thumbs up. Give us a dislike if you dislike something. Leave us a comment on the video so we get some feedback about what it is that you want to see more of. And I hope you enjoy this. I think this will work out really neat, and let us know what you think.
So join us here each week, my friends. You're sure to get a smile from several addicted statue nuts here on Collective Minds.